Attention all Teleblue subscribers. Recently, we've been alerted of a large span of broadcast anomalies. A broadcast anomaly is an event in which a television network airs content that may seem abnormal, elusive, or even outward disturbing. If you or your children happen to catch a broadcast anomaly over our airwaves, act calmly but maintain composure. Do not look at the screen. Do not look at the screen. Cover your eyes or ears if possible. If you're below the age of 13, alert your nearest parent or guardian. Record your television display with your nearest video camera. Send the footage via postal to 4386 Meadowview Drive, Wethersfield, Connecticut. Such examples of broadcast anomalies include the following.